Good morning, student. Now, today I am going to explain you the second construction method, that is a construct a triangle ABC where one base of a triangle angle one any base angle and the difference between the remaining two sides are given. Yesterday we constructed when sum of the two sides are given. Now we have to see the difference of two sides are given. And if you are observing this, construct a triangle ABC where BC is equal to 5 centimeter, angle B is 40 degree, and the difference of these two sides is 3 centimeter. It is difference of two side AB and AC is given. First condition is that when AB is greater than AC. Okay, so what is the base? Base is a BC. So firstly draw the base BC. It is 5 centimeter. What is the base angle? Base angle is B. Angle B is given, that is a 40 degree. So by using the protractor, we have to construct the base angle. That is equal to 40 degree. Sometimes instead of B, it will give you C also. Any one base angle will be given. First condition, what I am saying, if AB is greater than AC, means AB minus AC is difference, remaining two side difference is 3 centimeter. Okay, now here it is a difference, so we have to extend the side ray B. If you are giving the name whatever array, that we have to extend the back side. Now from B to C we have to draw. Now here it is AB is greater, therefore we have to take a difference of AB minus AB minus AC is equal to 3 centimeter. So from B point we have to draw an arc of 3 centimeter and give the label D to that point and then join CD. Okay, firstly draw BC 5 centimeter, base angle 40 degree, then D point we have to take an array at a 3 centimeter, whatever the difference is given. Then draw the perpendicular bisector of CD. Draw the perpendicular bisector of CD. How to draw? By taking a more than half distance of CD and draw upside and downside the arc and join the intersecting point of a arc. The after joining the arc, where that arc is touches to the ray BD. Okay, you can give the another name also. It is ray BD. Where it is touches, and after that, yes, where it is touches, extend the perpendicular bisector line so that it cuts the BD externally at a point A. So that is your point A. It means that if you are observing and then join AC. Join AC. Now if you are observing, AD is equal to AC because A is the point which is on a perpendicular bisector of CD. So it is equidistance from C and D. And then we got here AC, BC and AB. And therefore AB minus AC, if you are calculating, then you will get the 3 centimeter. Okay, AB minus AC is equal to 3 centimeter. See here, what is AB? AB minus AC is 3 because AC is equal to AD. Understood? So AB minus AC, that is equal to 3 centimeter. Means by using the scale you can measure and you can calculate also. Now the second condition is that when AB is less than AC. Okay, in first condition we saw AB is greater than AC. Now AB, the distance between the remaining side is 3 centimeter only, but here another side is bigger and bigger one. So same step, firstly draw BC. Now here listen, AC minus AB is 3 centimeter. Okay, so draw the 40-degree angle and extend it backward because the side is a small. Which side? AB is a small than AC. Therefore, now take 40-degree and angle, and that from point B we have to extend the ray backward side. What is the difference? It is 3 centimeter. Now here it is AB is less than AC. Therefore, from point B we have to mark where? Downside. When AB is greater than C, we have to mark upside, and when AB is less than C, we have to mark downside. Okay. Now join, that point is D point. Join this D with C. Join this D with C. AB is less than, then we have to draw that difference downside. If AB is greater than AC, then draw upside. So now we have to now the steps are same. We have to take a perpendicular bisector of CD. How to construct? By taking a more than half distance. Mark upside and downside of segment CD and draw the intersecting line of that segment, whatever the arc are intersecting. Now this is point your A, and now join the AC. Now if you are observing the diagram, here AB segment is less than AC. So you have to find out when AC minus AB is equal to 3 centimeter. So this is your required triangle. By using the scale you can verify if AC minus AB is equal to 3 centimeter. First condition AB minus AC. Second condition AC minus AB. It is 1.2 and here 4.2. So 4.2 minus 1.2, it is how much? 3 centimeter. So all of you understand?